telling you it's raining. My boss. Raining, raining, raining. Hello guys, welcome to my stream. So if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel. Let me plug in the charger. Guys, I'm telling you, it's raining so hard, so hard. We are riding home with a lot of rain. It feels like a storm. I'm telling you, it's raining so. There's a lady over there walking. Oh my God. Connect. So this story put TP. This is trading the yo annoyed Blaney. All is good, all is good. Like the stream and subscribe. Like the stream and subscribe. So did you guys see? Yeah, welcome to the stream. Like the stream and subscribe. So did you guys see the trade of today? How it went? And JP, all is good. JP, all is good. How is there? Annoyed Blaney, how are you doing? I've been well. Annoyed Blaney. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Like the stream and subscribe. Like the stream and subscribe to the channel. So the day has been a good one, as we were trading live today, and our trade is in profits now. The gold trade is in profits, so we are not complaining. As we wait for another day tomorrow to take some trades again, so I'm looking for some nice trades here that I can be able to trade live tomorrow. I'm checking for opportunities. I'm checking for opportunities. So kindly like the stream, subscribe and share. Like the stream, subscribe and share. Let me see how it is doing. Let me see. Let me view it from here. Make sure you have subscribed to the stream, as there is something nice coming up tomorrow. There is something nice tomorrow, so make sure you have subscribed to this channel. Guys, we need let me see, we need, how many more do we need to hit 2K? Let's check out. So we need 4 more to reach 1990. All that is all we need. Black money plus, what is that? What is that? What I mean? Make sure you have subscribed to the channel and like the stream. Make sure you have subscribed and like the stream. Guess let me first turn the camera here. I show you guys what I'm doing here. But I don't know if it will let me first turn it like this. And first turn it like this so that you guys can be able to see. So this is today's trade. Let me put. So we are still running. If you have not closed, then I guess you are in profits. If you haven't closed, then I guess we are in profits together. So guys, make sure you have subscribed to the channel. So this is today's trade, which is gold. Now yes, we were targeting 186 pips, and this is what we got. The stop loss was at 46. So this is what we got. Now we are seeing some nice pair here. This is nice here. This is looking nice and promising. So it looks nice and promising. So we are looking for ways to print also. If we are to draw our, let's say, our supports and suppliers and demand, then we can be able to draw this. This is what we can be able to draw. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Sub to the channel, share the channel. All that is what you need. Subscribe to the channel, like the stream. I hope you people are seeing it well. So let me turn my seat like this. Let me turn my seat like this, then I extend it. Yeah, so I hope everyone can be able to see now. I hope everyone can be able to see it. So this is what we are going to subscribe to the channel, like the stream and share. So we are trying to analyze this. Now what does this mean? This means we are waiting for it to tap onto our supply. So this is our supply zone right here, or the resistance zone. The demand is also called the support. The resistance, this is our resist zone or the supply zone. Then it either breaks this or we drop. Show your profit and loss account. So this was it today. If you want to see my profit and loss account, then this is it. So this is my Telegram channel. You can be able to join it. The link is on description. So this was the profit of today. I cannot show it here. I cannot show it on the phone here because it's the one I'm using for streaming now. So this was it. I made that was 50 USD today. It's what I made, and then I closed it. I did not hold on. So this was the trade when we were trading live. This was it, and then this is the outcome, of which you are seeing clearly here. of which you see clearly here. On my broker, it's the one I'm using for streaming here. It's the phone I'm using for streaming. So this is what we are waiting for. We are trying synthetics, guys. This is volatility 25. This is volatility 25. So let's wait for it to either resist or we break and retest here. Then we can be able to buy again. But for here, you have to be patient. Patiently wait. So that is all we do in the market here. This is 24 hours. So let's go to 4 hours and we see. 4 hours time frame. That was V25, which is this. 4 hours. So are you guys able to see that what we saw in the higher time frame, it's what we are still seeing here. It's what we are still seeing here. If you are to draw our trend lines, then we can be able to do this. Then this is all we can be able to do. Now anywhere you see a touch here, that means it's a zone. Anywhere you see a touch, it's a zone. So what do we do there? We just put the horizontal lines. This is a zone. That is one zone. This is a zone. So anywhere you see a zone, there is a potential reaction to it that is about to happen, or it's going to happen. Then this also, of which you have seen this reaction here happening, which is this. This is the reaction that happened, broke this and retested, of which you see the wick here. The wick means it's weak. It's weak, so now it's going up. We either hit this or we break and retest. This is my strategy. So it breaks and retest, and then we can still buy, because this is an uptrend right here, but it has been dropping. This has been a drop. If we have to draw our trend line right here also again. So what we have seen here, it's what we are going to see lower. As we go lower, that is what we see still. If all we are seeing here is it. So it's the same thing I said, guys. These are you see these rejections here the rejections mean the zone is strong. The zone is strong. It's not being able to break. Let me check on the live stream. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel. So this is 52 views already. Not bad, not bad, not bad. It's not bad. So let's continue with our analysis. This is all we are seeing still. This is all we are still. I say this, let it touch at least this trend line, and then we can drop, or it breaks and we retest. You have to wait for a confirmation. You don't need to buy or sell just straight. You need to wait for a confirmation to happen first, then we can be able to do other things. Without confirmation, I don't advise you guys to trade. So you have to wait for the confirmation to happen first. Now let's go lower. We are still seeing that we are trending up, and the trend line is not touched yet. So let's go lower. For me, I don't analyze on 30, so let's just go to 15. Same thing. We are waiting for this touch to happen, and then we can be able to sell. It either breaks this or we sell. That is all we are waiting for. It either breaks this, and then it will retest and we buy. But now here we are not saying that it's what is going to happen exactly. The market can also just touch here and we drop. So that is all we are saying. It either breaks this, so a broken support becomes a resistance, guys. A broken resistance becomes a support. So that is what I can say about it. A broken support becomes a resistance. A broken resistance becomes a support. So that is it. It either breaks this or we retest back here to this zone. These are strong zones. I said anywhere you see a touch, that is a potential reaction zone. This is a zone also, as you see. These are the equal highs here, or the bottom top, or the tops. These are the two equal tops. So that is all we are seeing here. Even if we draw our trend line here, it's the same thing also. So let's wait for this now. For you to look for your entry now, you have to get at least two confirmations. What are these confirmations that I'm saying? I talked of an M pattern. An M pattern, that is where we sell from. And I talked of the W, which is where we buy from the neckline. So that is all. Watch that video. Anything that you don't understand there, you can be able to reach out. I have a Telegram and the X on my description, so you can check them out. So this is all we are waiting for. Let it touch here and then we can be able to enter for our sales. As we see, the market has been trending up, and this is volatility. Yeah, this was today's trade. And there was a reason why I took this. From the higher time frame, I saw a zone, of which that zone was a W, which is the pattern, which is a W. So that was why I took this trade here today. That is why we took this trade today. Now we have to just short. You have to short this. So we can be able to target this low. So we are losing 27 pips to target 159. This is a profitable trade, guys, if you are to take this. So let's wait for it to happen. For this, without a confirmation, you don't need to enter. Let it retest from here and then we can drop. Now I don't expect you guys to just buy from here that you are going to target this. Let's say when you want to buy, this can also drop. If you are to put your stop loss here, let's say you put your stop loss here. I know it's a sale, but you should not put your stop loss here. I know some people are going to put the stop loss here, which is going to take you out fast from here. So it's going to take you out here, then it hits here, then it comes back, of which you are going to carry the L now. You will carry the L for this, so you have to be patient and wait for it to reach at least there. So that is going to keep you safe now. So one thing you have to know, guys, is how to manage your risks. Manage risks properly. So all that is what I'm seeing there. Let me save this, because on synthetics this can disappear. Just it's V25. So on synthetics you have to save the chart, or else it will disappear. Now let's save it. Yeah, we have saved that. Even if we go and analyze another pair, let's check on volatility 75 if there is a possible trade. So guys, these are harsh pairs. These are rough pairs that can take you out in second. Their lot sizes have to be big. Let's say they begin from 1. The lot size begins from 1. Guys, like the stream and subscribe. Like the stream and subscribe. So here we can be going to use the trend line as anything that works for you guys. So you can be able to use anything that works for you. You don't need to trade the same thing as me, but anything that works for you, you have to use it. I don't know if you guys are seeing well. Oh, I have to send it here a bit. us to go to the forex pairs. Which one do you guys want me? Where do you guys want me to analyze? Which pair? Which pair? Which pair, guys? Let me know. Which forex pair do you guys want me to analyze for you? These are zones also. We can be able to trade trendline strategy from here. Because once we come to the line graph or the here to the line, we can be able to see this. If you are on this, we can be able to see that, and this is going to be how we shall draw our trend lines. So this is how our trend lines are going to be. So what is happening here? So this is a trend line strategy. 3 touches and you are good to go. You can buy or sell after the third touch, which is this. So this was a first touch. Second touch. Now what are we waiting for? We are waiting for the third touch to happen. It can either happen here or here. This was not a touch. So I don't expect you guys to say that this is a touch. So let's wait for the third touch to happen and then we can sell. This is the sell bias that we are seeing. We are seeing a sell bias here. This is happening, so we have to get another touch and we can sell, be able to sell. Then once you are selling, you will short it from here. Once you are shorting it from here, then this is all I can see. The stop loss has to be above here, this trend line. Stop loss has to be above the trend line. Let's wait for it to load. The network is very slow, so let's go back to the forex pairs. Let's go back to the forex pairs. Let me check on GBP. Let me check on GBP. Guys, first see what the Bitcoin is doing here. See what the Bitcoin is doing. So this is our zone that we are seeing right here. Once you know how to analyze, then you can analyze any pair. Then no pair is going to be defeating you. Once you get to know how to analyze, then no pair is going to be defeating you. So you have to get to know how to analyze. So what are we seeing? We are seeing a rejection here, this weak rejection. And you see this huge rejection, which is the wick. The wick is already showing this bullish candlestick was rejected, which you are seeing a massive drop. This is our supply. If you are to draw this, then this is our supply. Now this support was broken, or the demand is broken. So this becomes now a resistance. This becomes our resistance. First, pardon me, I started from 15 minutes. So let's first begin from the higher time frame. Let's begin from the higher time frame. So this is it. Guys, like the stream and subscribe to the channel. Like the stream and subscribe to the channel. 76 views, that is not bad, it's good. Only a person that doesn't be on my live streams, that is the person that is going to be calling me a scam. So this is our, I'm trying to analyze for you guys the, so this is Bitcoin. Or which pair do you guys want me to analyze for you? Let me know the pair that you want me to analyze for you. So as I trade demand and supply, all this is what I'm doing. We can see a rejection from here. We can see rejection from here, which is causing a massive drop. So I said a supply zone. A supply zone is simply an area with a large momentum. So this is a large momentum that we are seeing right here. This is a large momentum. We can be able to spot this also. You see, this is a supply, this is a supply zone, this is a demand zone, this is a demand zone. And for the M pattern that I said, you have to keep that in mind, guys, M pattern. So that is where I take my trades from. Whenever I see an M pattern, then I can be able to take those trades. Let's first remove this. I just copy this and take here. So what are we going to wait for? It either breaks. So this is our demand zone or the support zone. Once the support is broken, that becomes our resistance. This is what I'm meaning. Once it breaks this below this, then this is simply going to become our resistance, and then a new support is going to be formed here. And if this support is broken again, then this becomes our resistance. So that is it. Then this also, once it breaks this, then it becomes a support zone. This is going to become a support zone, guys. Get to know that. So we can see a downtrend in all this. So this is the directional bias of 4 hours time frame. You can be able to get to know that this is a downtrend. In the downtrend here now, we cannot just jump in that we are going for sales. No, you have to be patient. It either breaks this or it closes above this. So we have to wait for it to close above this, of which you are seeing it already making a move. This is a rejection, meaning this zone here is very strong. This zone is very strong. So what are we going to wait for? We shall just wait for it to make a move back up, of which we shall buy from here. At least let it close above this zone. Close above that zone, then we can be able to know that we are buying. See, guys, this zone is very strong. This zone is very strong. See rejections, and this is about to close above it. So we are still looking for our buys here. We are looking for the buy. Our idea is for buys only. This is our idea for the buys only. Let's go to 15. That is where we get our entries from. On 15, we are seeing something different. We are seeing formation of another bullish candlestick here. You see formation of another bullish candlestick here. Now, if you are to go in for buys, then we shall be targeting this. This is going to be our first TP. If you are to say we are so you have to wait for it to close above this, then we can enter for the buys, guys. Let it close above this. a close above that zone, then we shall go in for buys. So this is BTC. Which pair? Let us check on US oil. US oil is the same thing. We are seeing a drop, a massive drop here happening. This was a zone of which the zone is broken, so we are still going for sales. This is all I'm seeing here. Guys, let me know which pair do you guys want me to analyze for you. Which pair do you guys want me to analyze for you before I go to bed? Let me know the pair that you guys want to analyze for you before I go to bed. So which pair do you guys want me to analyze for you? Let me know before I go to bed. Subscribe to the channel, like the stream. So I guess I can go off now to sleep. Then we shall meet in tomorrow's stream, guys. So see you guys.